Hello everyone. I'm so happy to be here to tell you about Japanese technology. I'm Mao. I would like to talk about Japanese bathroom. Next, Yoko will tell you about Japanese hybrid cars. Finally, Asuka will introduce to you Japanese robots.
When Japanese scientists invent new product, they consider about novel ideas, impact for integration, and future vision. So each Japanese product has many features for attracting you.
We will focus on these things and talk you about our each topics. Let's start from Mao.
Thank you, Yoko. My topic is Japanese bathroom. When American people hear the word bathroom, they may imagine bathroom with bathtub, shower, and toilet in the same room. But Japanese people usually imagine just bathtub and shower because Japanese toilet is separate room in house. If you go to Japan, don't say, I want to go to bathroom, because Japanese people will be confused. I will talk about history and technology of bathtubs. Second, development of toilet style and technology. Finally, new technology. Starting with the history and technology of Japanese bathtubs. In the 6th century, the bathtub was first introduced to Japan from China. So Japanese people started into happy habit of bathing. But most of people didn't have bathtub, so they used it at local temple. In 1810, people created kind of two bathtubs. One of them was teppoburo. This bathtub made by wood. Inside of the bathtub have iron pipe. Fire wood into the iron pipe, water become hot. On the other hand was goemon-buro. This bathtub made by iron. People put fire under the bathtub, so people had to use wood bottom plate, which just fit in. Next, I will introduce Japanese bathroom technology. Now, Japanese bathrooms have waterproof floor and wall, ventilator, movable shower, deep and big bathtub, and sometimes have TV. Japanese bathrooms use gas and electricity, so they can use warm water all the time. The average bathing time of Japanese people is 30 minutes because bathroom is a place for taking a shower, washing our body, and relaxation place for Japanese people. Let's move on to development of toilet style and technology. About 10,000 years ago, first toilet created in Japan. It was called kawaya. People set up wood scaffolding on the river. People squat and use a follow of river as a flush. In 901, it was called hibako. This toilet made by wood. It's kind of like a little box. Inside of the toilet have sand. People could change the sand from the bottom. In 1956, people made drawing pipes. So Western style and squatting toilet became popular among ordinary people. Next, I'll tell you about Japanese toilet technology. First, automatic features. For example, spray a mist with tap water and bactericide, and bidet function. Second, warm toilet seat. Third, water and power saving features. When Japanese people move to a new house, they check technology and style of kitchen, bathroom, and toilet because these places are indispensable for Japanese life. Turning to new technology. Do you know Toto? Toto is the world's largest toilet manufacturer. Most Japanese toilet rooms made by Toto. Toto made a new bathtub for children and ordinary people. This bathtub has a step. This design can help people get into bathtub. Toto's new bathroom entertainment is the high-quality audio system, big high-vision TV, and illuminated 10 colors bathtub. People can enjoy bathing time. In conclusion, history of Japanese bathroom shorter than history of Chinese bathroom, and evolution of Japanese toilet technology slower than evolution of Europe toilet technology. But Japanese toilet and bathroom are the cutting edge of this technology. Japanese company continue to evolve, so if you want to remodel a bathroom, please check Japanese technology. You can buy Toto's bathrooms and toilet. Thank you for listening. Now, Yoko will tell you about Japanese hybrid cars.
Thank you, Mao. Good evening. I'm Yoko. My topic is epoch-making cars. First of all, I would like to define the term epoch. Epoch means a period of importance or changes. So today, I will explain the epoch-making cars of futures. By the way, do you know how many cars are there in the world? Anyone? The answer is 1 billion cars. So, can you guess how many hybrid cars are there in the United States? Actually, thank you. Actually, there are 3 million hybrid cars in the United States. As you know, the mark is car company Toyota's. Toyota is one of the largest car company in the world. Also, my hometown, Aichi Prefecture, is headquarters of Toyota's. So today, I will focus on Toyota's hybrid cars. From now on, I will talk you about evolution of epoch-making cars, the development of the hybrid vehicles, the new environment-friendly cars, finally, future and visions. I'll begin with the development of the hybrid vehicles. As you know, our society have a global. As you know, our society have several problems. One of the problems is the global warming. Global warming is caused by increasing of CO2 emissions. At that time, Toyota tried to make new environment-friendly cars. In 1997, Toyota launched Prius, the first mass-produced hybrid cars. Hybrid vehicles moved by gasoline engine and electric motors. Also, hybrid vehicles have three benefits: better gas mileage, fewer emissions, decreased fuel used. Let's move on to the new environment-friendly cars. After hybrid vehicles, Toyota produced 100% electricity cars, electric vehicles. The source is electric plug. Also, the strong point is no CO2 emissions. But the car's range is only short distance. It is a problem. So now, Toyota is improving about the distance. Next generation of this, plug-in hybrid vehicles. The car has two benefits: electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. If you want to use daily life, you can use as electric vehicles. And also, if you want to go long distance trip, you can use as hybrid vehicles. Next generation of this, fuel cell powered vehicles. The car electricity by oxygen and hydrogen, and power supply capacity is 5 times electric vehicles, so we can drive long distance. And also, Toyota want to use the fuel cell for the buses and machines in industries. This is the newest fuel cell powered vehicles, Mirai. Mirai means future in Japanese. On this December 15th, Toyota will release Mirai in Japan. Also, next fall, Toyota wants to start to sell in Mirai, in America. So please look forward to driving the Mirai. Finally, I'll talk about Toyota's visions. Toyota has an ideal society. It's called low carbon society. Toyota wished a lot of people have environment friendly cars because it helps for global warming. Especially if many people have plug-in hybrid vehicles, car and home, also community can connect by plug, so we can charge anywhere. And also, if we have some natural disaster, we can charge from the car. Surprisingly, this year, Toyota has achieved 7 million cars. Setting the next 100 years, for our comfort, Toyota is always seeking the best cars, and also they have 4 types of environment-friendly cars: hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid vehicles, fuel cell-powered vehicles. Their research and development is continuous. Thank you for listening. Next, Asuka will talk about Japanese robots.
Thank you, Yoko. Thank you for coming today. I'm Asuka. I'll tell you about resource for Japanese robot. Japan is called a robot country because it has a 50% share of manufacturing robot market in the world. Japanese scientists are very good at inventing robots. Today, I'll talk about 3 kinds of robot: rescue robot, partner robot, and finally, humanoid robot. Let's begin by rescue robot. Rescue robot has been very important since Japan was struck by a huge earthquake in Tohoku Prefecture. Fukushima nuclear power plant was damaged by this earthquake. people couldn't go inside of the building because of nuclear radiation. Japanese rescue party used many robots from other countries, and researchers hurried to develop robots for radioactive rescue. An association called FURO announced Queens as a rescue robot. Rescue robot. Queens helps reduce the radiation exposure dose of workers by showing the detail of the building, creating radiation dosage maps, sampling radioactive materials, and so on. Many Japanese scientists are developing these kind of rescue robots now because, as you know, Japan is an island with frequent earthquakes. Let me turn now to partner robot. Toyota also has its own great robot technology called partner robots. They focus on medical facilities and assisting handicapped people and senior citizens. This human assist robot performs tasks such as picking up things, retrieving items from shelves, and opening curtains. It also can be controlled by voice and tablet computer. Next is Care Assist robot. This robot helps transport patients around medical facilities, especially from their bed to other places. These two types of robot are still a work in progress. However, Toyota partner robots are vital for the future because their robot helps with Japanese social problems such as aging society and acute labor shortage. Before we move on to my final topic, may I ask you a question? Have you heard about humanoid robot Asimo? Oh, great. Honda company has had a huge success with humanoid robot. Their research about humans' movement, especially bipedal locomotion, was started from 1986. The first two-legged robot was announced by Honda company in 1994. In 2000, humanoid robot Asimo was completed, getting many processes and improvements. It is called the most advanced humanoid robot in the world today. Asimo has such an outstanding walking skill and running skill. It also has other fascinating abilities, such as picking up glass bottle, twisting off the bottle cap, holding a soft paper cup to pour liquid without squishing it. It also can make sign language expression, which require complex finger movements. Asimo has voice distinction skill as well. It can distinguish between human's voice and other sound. If someone calls Asimo, Asimo will turn the face to the source of the sound. Oh. In Japan, Asimo already works as a guide in a science museum and some companies. Surprisingly, Asimo's job has spread into America. It has worked at Disneyland in California from 2005. However, we cannot buy Asimo. Asimo is not for sale to the public. Why? Because Asimo is not a goal for Honda company. The process of creating Asimo has been used for creating other robots such as U3X and walking assist robot. These robots helps This robot helps humans' mobility and people who don't have enough muscle to walk by themselves. The application of Asimo made these developments possible. Honda company will keep creating these kind of robots to advance humans' mobility with Asimo's research. In conclusion, today I talked about 3 kinds of robots: rescue robot, partner robot, and humanoid robots. Many companies developing robots has their own goal and each purpose. But also they have a common point, that is their robot makes our future better. Because in Japan, we have many social problems such as frequent earthquakes, aging society, and declining birth rate. Thank you for listening.
In conclusion, Japan has been known as a manufacturing society. Japanese people tend to accept taking different thinking, technology, and cultures, and they improve on it to create our ideal society.
Japanese scientists keep moving for our innovations. In order to be innovative, we must leave the conventional thinking. Let's bring many minds together. Thank you for listening.
Does anyone have any questions? Yes.
How much does the new car cost?
Okay. The question is how much Mirai the cost is. Cost that. Mirai is in American dollars about $50,000.
Any other questions? Okay. Thank you.